Hey Sunflowers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are playing, we are in Bloxburg with Kaylor the Paper.
Shut up!
Actually, Kaylor the Thick Cake, because look at her thickness. Okay, so today we are going to tell to Aiki if she would like to hang out with us, her BFFFFFF. So, this is Kaylor's car. I'm gonna ruin it. Yeah! She just ignored it. Okay, so, I think that's her house. So, Kaylor, let's go. He's low. Okay, so here is her house. Is that her? Oh, look at her. She has a nice costume for Halloween already. Come already, Kaylor. You're taking freaking forever. You're taking forever. Hey. She said hey. I'm gonna say hey. Call us. Call us. Call us. Okay. Okay. Let me call them. Okay, I'm calling them. Hi, Aiki. I just want to say if you wanna. I just want to say if you wanna hang out.
Yeah.
In your lovely pink house.
This is only for 1 second. Hey, stop talking over me, you bull rat. Sorry.
Make us guess. Exactly.
I made you guess. I just lost it.
Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh. Ooh, what's up here?
Nothing. Get away from me, so.
Okay. Okay, so.
Let's just go outside and get some fresh air, because that's the best thing we can do.
I don't think that's the best thing, but okay.
Shut up! Now, you two, sit down outside the house. Sit down where Teresa is. Sit down. Sit down.
Are you sure? Okay.
Just sit down, you stinking old rat.
You kicked her out!
Yeah, now, go away and never come back, and I'm just gonna hang out. Okay, bye, losers!
Okay, well, Kaylor, that was mean. So I have a plan, and I always waited for it. Do you know what is it?
Being poor?
Oh my gosh, no. Being let me just.
Trash? Can?
Yes, you're right. So
Okay.
change.
Make me guess.
Oh yeah. Let me just. Change.
But I don't even have a poor
What do you mean?
outfit.
No, you don't need a poor outfit. Just pretend to be a dumpster like me. So just take out your clothes, find any face, and for the hats, do trash can.
I'm fine. I'm just gonna do this.
You can't.
She won't mind.
She will. We're spying on her.
I know. It's a rat.
Well, hopefully that works. So let's just go.
Wait, don't go with your bicycle. She will know the color.
Oh, let's go.
Come back.
Guess me. Oh,
But I'm not even dirty. I'm clean right now.
just guess me.
Okay. But this is a really rich car.
Guess me, or else I'm going with my bicycle. Thank you.
But she'll know us.
I can't ride it. That's why I cannot ride it. Let's just go. You waste my time. Okay, so I'm gonna park my bicycle here where she won't notice. Okay, so let's go. So hopefully, I still have gas, do you?
I think so.
Okay, when I say move, move, okay? 3, 2, 1, move, move, go, 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 go. Move, no, stay beside me. What is it? Beans, beans, the magical fruit, the more you eat, the more you fart. Whoa. Okay, she don't see us. She don't see us. She don't see us. Okay, you're blocking. She's looking at us. Don't pretend. Oh, okay. Oh. What happened? Is that a statue I ordered? I'm not gonna say anything because she might say something. So yeah. Yes sir. This is a statue. Very stinky. Taylor, don't come in yet. Don't come in yet. Don't you dare.
Just gonna look at her text.
Okay. I should follow.
Don't say anything. Don't say anything.
Oh my gosh.
Don't move. Don't move.
I moved.
Girl, you're gonna be dead.
She isn't doing anything, so I'm just gonna.
Go in.
I think I saw something. I saw like a boy thing. Oh my gosh! Taylor, quick, come in! What is this? Don't move! Oh my gosh! What is this, Kayla? Let me stay here.
With no shirt.
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Well, yeah. Well, I'm just gonna end it here because she's like that, and I'm just gonna end it here. Well, that was quite a. I miss him. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Who the hell?
Who? I have to say. Who is he? Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
Who is he? I changed back to myself. Ah! Yahoo! Ooh. Ooh. My boy. Oh my gosh! Ah! Ah! You're young. Oh my gosh, Kayla, run for your life. Run for your life. Run for your life. Run for your life. Give me my bicycle. Give me my bicycle. Run for your life, Kayla. Go back to my house.
Who's this girl? This is not my sister.
Well,
I never thought it was like that.
okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications. And if you want to be in the Sunflower Squad, just subscribe and you'll be in it. And say Sunflower.
Bye.
So yeah,
Bye,
bye guys.